Alright guys, what's up? Here in the shop at AMC today. I'm super excited about this unboxing. Been waiting a while for this one. 2021 KTM 690 Enduro R. Let's go pop the crate open, see what we got.
See the orange already, and it's sick. Oh, that is beautiful. I dig it. Take this thing out of the crate, get a better look at it. Alright guys, here it is, the 2021 KTM 690 Enduro R. I'm not going to go over a huge amount of details just because I did that with the Supermoto and I gave you my thoughts on the 701, and for this bike it's virtually the same. There are no changes really besides the design. The 2021 models in the US. There was changes in Europe. Not sure about any other countries, but for the US, we just got the styling changes. And let me tell you, the styling changes are sick. This is almost like a flat or matte orange, and it looks amazing. I like the colors. The orange and gray look so much better than the old one. I dig it. Got some of the headlight mask here, looks good. Starts out orange, fades back to gray. Guys, I would love to have this bike. My absolute favorite dual sport motorcycle. DID Dirt Stars. Just a sweet machine. As you can see, we haven't even, I couldn't wait guys, we haven't even put the pegs or the mirrors or the handguards or the skid plate on yet. I want to go ahead and get this video taken and get it out to you guys. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And we got a bunch of bikes in today, guys. I'm going to be doing some gas unboxings and a few other things. So hit the subscribe button, join the channel, man. Be part of the community. Let me know what you think in the comments, and hit the bell, select all so you don't miss any video uploads, guys. Thanks so much for all your support. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one.